Alright, so in this video, been wanting to do this for a while. I'm going to keep Sawyer out with me, but we're stopped here. We just got done doing the bridge video, but I've always wanted to do this because I don't talk too much about my Jeep. It's just a Jeep, whatever. I love it, it's fine. But I did upgrade the audio system in it myself, so I just want to kind of play it a little bit and kind of get a good demo for it here. See what it sounds like as we go away, walk away from it rather. So let's do Born Country by Alabama. I want to keep Sawyer out. All right, let's go, Sawyer. We're gonna go this way.
Clear creeks and cool mountain mornings, honest work out in the field, cornbread in my mama's kitchen, daddy saying grace before meal. Family ties run deep in this land, and I'm never very far from what I am. I was born country, and that's what I'll always be.
Not too bad. So I'm running Morel Maximo Ultras, coaxials in the rear doors, components in the front, and then two JL Audio W3s, 8 W3s in a ported box, all being powered by a JL Audio 5-channel amplifier, and signal processing is being done by audio control. Did the install myself. Took my time doing it, tried to do it right. Took about 24 or 5 hours total work time. All the doors are dampened, dynamatted. Well, it's my little system.
And a special shout out to Crutchfield, who supplied all of the components for this install, all the way down to the wiring. They did not sponsor this video, but I highly recommend them for all of your audio needs.
And that's not all the way up, that's about halfway. I don't turn it up more than that.
And daddy did, I was born country, and that's what I'll always be. Like the rivers and the woodlands wild and free. I got 100 years of down home running through my blood. I was born country.
That's it.